So, hello everyone, myself Advocate Gautam Harshwal working at LEXIS and Company Law Firm as a Junior Associate. So, today in this video, we are going to discuss a recently case basically which was being filed before the Supreme Court of India and very controversial as well. There you must have heard on various social media platforms or YouTube's or on news channels that Allahabad High Court basically fighting a case before Supreme Court of India against Waqf Board, right? So the another party in this case is Waqf Board. So what is the case we are going to discuss in this video? The basic, the main claim of the Waqf Board is that they are claiming the property of Allahabad High Court as their own property, and there is mosque which is being built in the premises of Allahabad High Court. So, because of that, Waqf Board claiming that the property is owned by Waqf Board, and if you don't know what is the Waqf Board law, there is in India Waqf Board of India can claim any property if you have purchased that property from a Muslim person, then that property goes to the Waqf, right? The basic principle which follows Waqf Board of India is that whatever is of will goes to work, right? So let's start in this case what the case has all about. So basically the Supreme Court on Monday, last Monday, uh, directed authorities to you know directed the authorities to demolish a mosque which constructed in Allahabad High Court's premises, and and the time was being given is within 3 months. And while hearing a special leave petition filed by the Waqf Masjid High Court and the UP Sunni Central Waqf Board challenging a November 2017 order, basically they are challenging this 2017 order uh, for its demolition. They are challenging that the demolition should not happen, right? At the time, the Allahabad High Court basically had given the borders, boards 3 months to demolish the mosque, right? So before Allahabad High Court already has given clear instructions to demolish that mosque which was being built in the premises of the High Court. And the apex court in this case stated that the mosque stood in a terminated lease property and hence could not be claimed as a matter of right by the petitioners, right? Who's the petitioner? Work board, right? So it, however, permitted them to make a representation to the UP government for a alternate land nearby for construction of mosque, which basically which could be which could so it has basically however permitted to make a land nearby for considered if the law permits and if lands are not required for any public purpose at present or in the future, right? So that's what the court has said that in this case. And following this video, the mosque basically was constructed on a government lease land, and the grant for which was concealed in 2002. In 2004, the land was basically resumed in favor of the Allahabad High Court, and in 2012, the Supreme Court of India has ordered the resumption of the land. Right. So it's not it is not a recent case. It is years back old case. In this case, Advocate Kapil Sibbal, appearing for the mosque committee, said that the mosque land has been there since 1950s, and the government changed in 2017, and everything changed, right? The government changed in 2017 and everything changed. That's what the Senior Advocate of Supreme Court of India, Kapil Sibbal, has said that in his arguments. And a PIL was filed 10 days after the new government was formed. We have no problems with shifting to an alternative place as long as they give it to us, right? That's what he said. The petitioners argued that the mosque was privately built but later decided to public and registered with the Waqf board, thus becoming a Waqf property. However, the senior advocate Rakesh Dwivedi, appearing for the High Court in this case, said that that unnecessary religious color was being given to to the issue. Right. He also said that the mosque administration got it registered with Waqf in 2002 with the aim of delaying the demolition. Right. And so basically these are the arguments given by the both the advocates from the both the parties. And the Allahabad High Court also has maintained that it does not have any alternate plot. So that's what the Allahabad High Court said, that it does not have any alternate uh, of land within their premises to relocate the mosque, and state that the state may consider shifting it to another place, right, another area. It also said that said there was already a shortage of space for parking within the premises. So that's what the the court, the basically advocate from the Allahabad High Court has said this in in this case. So I hope you understood the basics of this case. If you would like to have more, if you want me to make a more detailed video on this case, let me know in the comment section. Till then, bye bye. See you in the next video.